produce a wonderful sound and produce the gospel in a unique way. They sing it in Ulster-Scots lingo, I would call it. But I want you tonight to give a very, very warm welcome to the Low Country Boys.
We're near Glenny, as they would say in the Low Country. The Low Country is a wee middle bit of the Irish Peninsula. Places like Ballyhalbert, where I live in Sale, Portabogie, Kirkcobin, Grey Abbey, Ballywalter, that sort of part of the world. And there's a whole lot of folk who lived there and who grew up there for generations with connections to Scotland, because as you probably know, Portabogie is a fishing village. And there's boats coming and going there every day, and it's been like that for centuries, going and fishing off the coast of Scotland, up into the Clyde and away off into the North Atlantic. And Portabogie men have went and settled and married in Scotland, and Portabogie women have done the same, and vice versa. There's been fantastic comings and goings. We're going to do 2 or 3 wee instrumentals here, I think, just to get ourselves warmed up. But better introduce ourselves too. I'm Mark Thompson. This is my brother Graham. This is Ivan McFerrin, and this boy with the banjo is Gibson Young. And he's a bus driver, as you'll be able to see with Speedy Boy's a banjo man. And we grew up about wee farms and mission halls on the Low Country. And if I weren't at a meeting during the night, well, we're probably helping our dads put the farm during the daytime. Stucking bales and keeping beasts and binging prutas and scaling dung. Do you know what scaling dung is in Macarafell, do you? Oh, we done a right bit of it when we were wee.
I'm ready.
Right! I don't know about the Low Country boys, but the Slow Country boys. First we're going to do is a wee tune from Portabogie.
1, 2.
Called Portabogie Boys.
1, 2.
Here we go. Over the years, a whole lot of folk have moved into the Low Country that weren't born there and don't have really any family connections there. You know, nice sort of fancy folk from posh towns like Bangor. So everybody from Bangor is awfully posh, you see. And whenever they moved into the Low Country, well, it was sort of a scary experience for them, because folk in the country didn't pack away the folk day in the tune. This is an old hymn. This is an old hymn we got from an old Scots hymn book called My Sins Are Ah Awa. So I hope you'll be able to understand some of this, and Mark felt tonight anyway. Burden with sin and grief, no one bring the gay relief. Wandering blindly down the dark broad road of sin. We had spirits with fears and a pack of wasted years. No elect to point the goal that pain would win. Aye, but my feet were on the stair and my heart with thorns of care, while my money dreams had vanished like a snap. It was then that Jesus came, I with his heart, oh, leaving flame, and my every sin he vanished far away. Either far, far away, all my sin made great and small, the Saviour by his blood is new, breathing for them all. Though they were as red as crimson, Jesus washed them white as snow. But then far ahead and back, and knew they're far, far away. Knew the Lord is on my song, I'll hit him, praise him all day long. For he saved and keeps me by his mighty power. He never lets a day go by, but he sends me from high. On the grace that keeps me precious, Sharon's flower. Aye, he supplies my every need, on his precious word and faith, and his spirit life to raise his army blast. He just speaks in all his ways of coming through them for yourself, and your money sent he'll vanish far away. Either far, far away, all the sins made great and small, the Saviour by his blood is new, breathing for them all. Though they were as red as crimson, Jesus washed them white as snow. But then far ahead and back, and knew they're far, far away. So last verse is survived well. Oftentimes along TV I sense the road through Brexit free, and the game long war the glory never dies. And for every freedom he loves, I hate one of faithful woes, and the blessings early wines upon the leaves. Aye, but the freedom brings his Christ to the realm and once suffice, and a fear nightmare that butters all the land. Lo, wide earth is crying down, I stand complete in hell, when my every sense is vanished far away. Either far, far away, all the sins made great and small, the Saviour by his blood is new, breathing for them all. Though they were as red as crimson, Jesus washed them white as snow. He put them far ahead